Okay, last na naka-artehan to. Huling hirit. This is Anastasia Brow Gel. And I got the medium brown. Try natin together. I bought the small size lang. Yung mini. Oh, okay. Paano ba to? Oh, ang cute. Ang liit lang. Let me see. Please bear with me because hindi naman talaga ako magaling mag-makeup. I don't even know if I'm doing it right. Ganito lang ba to? Pag-aaralan natin to, guys. Parang kumapal naman siya. Anastasia, this brand is really known for mga brow makeup. So, yeah, I like buying mga eyebrow stuff from them kasi dyan sila expert. Kinikilig ako sa mga makeup, and I feel like nandito na naman ako sa era na maarte na naman ako, kikay na naman ako. So yeah, if you guys are interested in getting one like this, Anastasia is available at Sephora, where I got this, and also sa Ulta. I don't know where else, pero yeah, Anastasia yung brand, and they have a lot of mga eyebrow stuff. Like pang laminate, pang yung mga pencil, and then ito. I just like using this kasi madali, igaganon-ganon ka na lang and then ready na siya. Yun lang guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!